GCU Live Lessons are a complimentary way for students and teachers to engage in valuable, career-focused experiences. Live lessons can be accessed from anywhere in the world on a computer with internet access. Lessons can be brought into both face-to-face and virtual classrooms, making them available to students in all situations. Each lesson is an innovative opportunity to participate in an interactive activity specific to an area of interest. Participants develop hands-on skills and complete a curriculum designed by GCU's college experts and faculty.
If we get these kinds of experiences on a regular basis, the kids really get to do hands-on activities. So I can stand up in front of the class all day long and talk about how important college is, but they're not going to believe it unless they really get to do things that are activity-based.
These complimentary, high-level academic experiences are easy to schedule and can accommodate varying class sizes and timetables. All you need to do is select from our wide array of options and schedule your lesson. Each 45-minute lesson is perfect for high school students, distance learners, homeschooling families, and community college students to expand their skills and explore areas of interest. To learn more about GCU Live Lessons and view a full list of lesson offerings, visit gcu.edu/live lessons today.